What are scratch and sniff labels? The smell is a powerful and evocative sense because it can awaken memories and emotions through a particular smell. This is precisely the goal of scratch and sniff labels or other kinds of packaging. That is, those labels that release a specific scent when rubbed or scratched. Let's see together what they are and how they are made. Let's talk about composition and production. At the starting point of the scratch and sniff labels, there is a standard adhesive label, to which a special paint consisting of a liquid carrier such as a water-based ink and a previously microencapsulated perfume component. Special varnish is part of a new generation of scented inks, which allows the production of scratch and sniff stickers or labels. First of all, it must be said that the conformation of this varnish allows you to choose how it is made from its roots. The recommended printing methods are mainly two: flexo printing and screen printing. This part concerns the first component mentioned above, the liquid carrier. We choose flexo printing and screen printing because they are two of the most used printing methods that give more thickness to the varnish layer. So more thickness, more smell when the label is actually scratched. This is the part that concerns the component of the liquid carrier. The perfume feature must be added then. The latter is previously microencapsulated, or in other words, the compound of aromatic oils is trapped in microscopic capsules. Microencapsulation is a process that consists of coating minute droplets of liquids or gas bubbles with a thin film, usually made up of natural or synthetic polymers, to form microcapsules to preserve a substance, in this case perfume. So this perfume is then put inside of a water-based varnish. This protective veil allows the perfume to remain stable until the moment of breaking or when pressure is exerted by rubbing the label. When these microcapsules are scratched, they die and release the chosen fragrance. The perfumes can be chosen from a standard library, where you can find the most traditional and used ones, like vanilla and rose. Still, you can customize your perfumes by agreeing with the scratch and sniff label supplier. Just provide the oily variant of the fragrance to be microencapsulated and added to the varnish. Scratch and sniff labels are used to inspire consumers to try products. It means offering the audience a multisensory and interactive packaging experience for your brand or the brand of your customers. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos about design and packaging. I'm Stefano, and as always, love you all. Ciao!